Submitting documents to eBay for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that eBay requires for account verification. This may include identification, proof of address, and any other relevant information specified by eBay. Step 2. Log into your eBay account. Access your eBay account by visiting the eBay website and entering your login credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Navigate to the verification section. Once logged in, go to your account settings or the verification section. Look for prompts or notifications indicating that you need to submit documents for approval. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the instructions to upload your gathered documents. Ensure that the files are clear and legible and that they meet eBay's format and size requirements. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After uploading your documents, review everything to ensure accuracy. Submit your documents and check for a confirmation message or email from eBay regarding the status of your submission. Once you have completed these steps, you will be on your way to getting your account approved. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or further instructions from eBay.